Let's learn how to drape saree in Deepika Padukone style from song Batameez. Take the start of the saree, start tucking in from the right side and take one complete round. Now tuck all the saree inside. Now take a temporary tuck and turn around the saree and start making pallu pleats. Start making the pleats. See to it the left side is facing upwards and the right end is facing opposite to it. Arrange the pallu pleats neatly. See to it that you take narrower pleats for this drape. The narrower, the better it will look. Arrange the pleats neatly and pin it up at the length you want. Keep it a little longer because later it might get shorter. Now take the innermost pleat, turn it around and bring it forward, and we'll pin at the right thigh, mid of the right thigh, at the top edge of this fabric. Now let's make hip pleats. Take the entire saree upwards, gather it till you reach the bottom. Now make small pleats and pin it up. See to it that you place it one below the other neatly so it's easier to pin. Once arrange it over the hips. Each and every pleat should be seen. Now hold all the pleats in the hand, one behind the other. Arrange it properly and let's pin it up at the top edge so that the saree doesn't get folded. Now make the pleats of the remaining fabric onto your right, the bottom pleats. We'll get 3/4 full length pleats and rest all pleats will be turning inwards because we have pulled all the saree upwards. Arrange the lower pleats neatly and tuck it inside the petticoat right at the center of the waist. Clean the fabric at the right of the waist. Now lift the pallu from the shoulder and put it back on the shoulder tightly and pin it up with the blouse. Arrange the pallu pleats at the top neatly in the front and now pin the lower pleats with a safety pin, leaving the first pleat so that it covers the safety pin. And this is it, your Deepika Padukone Bollywood style drape is done. Do like and comment if you like this drape. Thanks for watching.